Here's hoping you'll never have to use it, but if you do get a flat tire, your tire service kit can get you back on the road quickly and safely. If you get a flat, pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights. You'll find the tire service kit in a storage bag inside your trunk. Position the damaged tire so that the valve stem is near the ground. Shift into park for automatic transmissions or reverse for manual, then turn off the ignition and set the parking brake. Place the compressor on the ground beside the flat tire. Shake the sealant bottle to mix the contents, then extend the injection hose and connect the air compressor hose to the injection valve of the bottle. Next, remove the valve cap from the valve of the flat tire and connect the injection hose to the tire valve. Turn the sleeve to the right to tighten. Push the bottle upside down into the air compressor until the left and right tabs are securely engaged. Make sure the compressor is off, then connect the plug to the accessory socket deep on the upper left side of the passenger's footwell. Set the ignition to ACC. Turn the compressor on. The compressor will inject sealant into the tire. After the sealant is fully injected, wait until the tire inflates to the specified pressure, indicated by the label on the driver door frame. Inflation pressure may temporarily increase to about 43.5 psi, or 3 bar. Inflation pressure decreases gradually and should reach actual inflation pressure after about 30 seconds. Once the correct pressure is reached, turn the compressor off, unscrew the injection hose, and detach it from the tire valve. Remove the sealant bottle from the left and right tabs on the compressor. Detach the compressor from the sealant bottle. Connect the injection hose to the injection valve of the bottle to keep leftover sealant from leaking out. Replace the valve stem cap, put the kit back into its storage location, and drive immediately to spread the sealant inside the tire. Drive carefully at 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, or less. After about 10 minutes or 3 miles, 5 kilometers, connect the compressor to the tire and use the air compressor gauge to check tire pressure. If the tire pressure is lower than the specified tire inflation pressure, turn the compressor on until the correct pressure is reached. When tire pressure does not decrease, the repair has been successful. Replace with a new tire immediately. Drive carefully to the nearest Fiat dealership and have the tire replaced. If the tire is to be repaired or reused, consult an authorized dealer. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.